Cat people, how are you today? I'm Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a Valentine's look. Well, not this one. I forgot to film an intro, so I have done this makeup. I'm doing the intro now and I hope that you enjoy the video. As always, I'm gonna start by applying some primer. This is Urban Decay and Primer Potion. I'm gonna use a good amount because I have some quite big plans. Basically, the look that I would like to do is hearts, but not normal hearts, is like bubble hearts. So I think that this is very exciting. I love bubbles so much. I love everything that has to do with water. I have done normal water bubbles. I will actually add a picture there of this look, and I wanted to take it kind of to the Valentine's level, so that's why I decided to make kind of bubbles but in heart edition. I'm not sure how this will turn out, but I'm here to try, and I'm here to show you my attempt and show you if I do any mistakes or anything that you need to take care of when you do this look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive into the colors. First of all, I'm gonna take this palette. This comes from Bragg Beauty and it is called Stay Wild. And from this palette, I'm gonna choose this shade, which is called Girly, and I'm gonna apply it here at the bone basically, and a little bit here in order to have a very beautiful transition color. And when I go to the berriest pink that I'm planning to use, to have a very good base so I can blend it in and I have a smooth result. So I'm applying this here very carefully, and then I'm gonna go there at the outer part of the eye. I'm gonna blend a lot, since this is gonna be the base color. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy with this palette. I think I have mentioned it at my favorite palettes. I'm so happy with this palette. It's a palette that Bragg Beauty sent me actually. Bragg Beauty is a Danish indie brand. It's an amazing brand. They have some very beautiful mirrors nowadays. So if you would like to have a kind of similar mirror with this, you can check them out. I'm not sure if I have a code with them. If yes, I will have it down at my description box, so don't forget to check. And yes, this is the first step. It's looking good already. And now I'm planning to deepen up everything by using an old friend of mine, very old friend to be honest. This is Angel Heart from I Heart Revolution. I think that this palette is still available. I'm not sure though, because it's a very old palette. If you see here the eyeshadow that is missing, I haven't broke it, I just finished it. This is one of the first palettes that I had in my collection. I used it quite a lot, but since I do not really love the berries and kind of reddish colors these days, I kind of forgot about this palette. Anyway, I'm gonna dive into this color, which doesn't have a name, but it's very beautiful, and I can deepen up the first pink that I have already in my eye, just there at the outer corner, and a little bit up, nothing super intense. I don't want to have a very intense result. I'm gonna go with a very romantic look today, and then a lot of blending. I think it's time for some shimmer. That's why I'm gonna take a mini palette that I have. This is coming from Mortis Cosmetica. Unfortunately, Mortis Cosmetica is out of business these days, but when they were still selling, they sent me this palette. It's so beautiful as a palette. I mean, look at it. It has these super Valentine-ish shades and all their shimmers, and I have some duochromes here, and it's just beautiful. Unfortunately, you cannot find this palette anymore, and I'm so sad myself because I used to love and I still love this palette a lot, but I try to avoid showing this palette to the channel because you cannot buy it and you might feel sad, and I don't want this for you. Anyway, I'm taking this flat brush. I'm diving to the lightest pink that I can find here. I'm gonna spray the brush a little bit and then I will apply it at my inner corner. First of all, I forgot, I would like to apply some primer potion from Aden Cosmetics in order to make sure that I will have the perfect base for a glittery eyeshadow. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to start the action, and I'm ready to admire this eyeshadow for one more time. Wow, look at it! It's a very beautiful shadow, and it has a little bit duochrome. It's going towards blue. This palette was amazing. I'm so sad that they actually are out of business these days. I contacted them and I say, will you plan to do anything? They said kinda yes, but then they didn't do another brand, another company, so this made me a little bit extra sad because they really know how to produce good and high quality eyeshadows. Look at it! And in order to make the shimmer match a little bit more with the matte eyeshadow that I have used there, I'm gonna dive into this eyeshadow as well. It doesn't have a name, but it's kinda a dark berry pink, very beautiful again. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, still flat brush though, and I'm taking this eyeshadow and I will apply it here at the end of the previous one. I'm gonna finish the main part of the look by using LH Cosmetics palette. It is called Daybreak, and from this palette I'm gonna take this eyeshadow, which is called Inhale. It's a very beautiful white shimmer, and I'm gonna add a little bit under my eyebrow. First of all, I'm gonna make my brush a little wet. I'm gonna use fixing spray from Makeup Revolution, Cookies and Cream. It has an amazing scent. I love using it. And at this point I would like to tell you that if you would like to keep this look kinda simpler, you can actually leave it as it is right now, and this can be a very beautiful kinda light Valentine's look. But if you want something extra, I'm gonna show you in a while. Let me add this shimmer first. It's looking amazing. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful with the pink actually. It makes the look very bright, and I think I love it already. And now it's time to have some fun with the bubbly hearts. I have a cake liner here. This is from Makeup by Tammy, and I have some water. I'm gonna activate it, and with a very thin brush, I'm gonna start drawing some hearts at the outer part of my eye. Well, I took a quite big break because I had some lessons, and now I'm back to finish with my hearts. I have already taken the white base from P. Louise. It's a very beautiful base, especially if you like cut crease and if you do a lot of those. Personally, I do, so I love it a little bit extra. I'm gonna apply an amount on my hand like this. I don't want a lot, this is gonna be more than enough. And then I'm gonna go here at the center of my hearts. I'm gonna apply this inside, so to make them kinda light pink to white, because I would like to give the shades again manually and not use the existing shades that I have on my eye, because I feel that in this way they will feel more 3D, according to my opinion at least. Let's start! And now that my hearts are clean, I'm gonna go with Color Fix from Danessa Myricks. This specific one is in the shade Rainbow. Let me bring it a little bit closer to you for you to see it better. It's a very nice vibrant pink. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my hand as well. Just a little bit, I don't need a lot, trust me. And then I'm gonna take another very tiny brush. This is from e.l.f. and specifically their Game Up collection. I don't know if it is available right now. I think I saw it recently, the collection, the full collection I mean. So I think you can find it. Anyway, I'm gonna take a small tiny amount and I'm gonna go right at the center of the hearts and I'm gonna blend it out, but without fully covering the white. I really need some white in order to show the 3D effect. Two more steps to finish with the heart. Step 1, that you can see it here on this eye, because I want to experiment a little bit before I tell you, was to take again the Angel Heart palette, specifically this color, and go with a super tiny brush, this one right here. This is from NYX, the number 11. It doesn't have any more specification of the name, I would say. I don't like this brush because, as you can see, it's way fluffy for an eyeliner brush. It's not a precise brush, so I'm just keeping it for occasions like this. So I used this, I went to the center of the heart to give a little bit more depth at the color, and then with another super tiny brush, this one, again I don't like it because it has the same problem with NYX's brush. While I'm gonna show you a brush that I really enjoy, this is the one. This is from London Copyright, and I think you can see the difference, how precise is this one in comparison with this one. Anyway, I use this one in order to blend inside the heart the white part with the dark pink or mulberry part, and we have this result right here. I don't know if you can see all the details. Let me tell you, it's extremely difficult to blend inside the heart, but nothing is impossible, so I'm gonna show how I did this side on this side for you to fully understand the procedure. First step, going there. Second step, apply at the middle. And I know that it might sound unbelievable, but we need one more step and we finished with the hearts. The most impressive step, I would say, I'm gonna take from NYX Professional Makeup the Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liner. So it's in white, of course, because I would like to give some highlights to my hearts and kinda make them pop out, kinda look like they're made of water. And I'm gonna take another tiny brush. I know, like, I have taken a lot of brushes today. I don't know if you have all these brushes. Actually, you can clean them and use the same ones. I'm gonna take this one specifically if you're curious, because I find the applicator brush quite kinda thick and I really don't wanna mess up this look. It took quite a while to finish it. I'm gonna take a good amount, and then I'm gonna go first of all at the pink part of the heart, the one that I have created with the water activated eyeliner, and then inside the heart to give some highlights. Let's see! Great! What do you think about my bubbly hearts? Do you like them? I don't know if you can see them well enough at the camera, but make sure that you will visit me at my Instagram account, which is Catlady Antigoni, and there I will have some close-ups so you will understand everything better. I'm moving on to the bottom part of my eye. I'm taking this tiny pencil. This is from Wycon, a very old pencil, in the shade 27, Violet Pink. I hope that it's dark enough, but it's not gonna be like purple because I don't feel like using any purple today. I'm gonna use it straight at my waterline, and then for the absolute bottom part of the eye, the skin there, I'm gonna use again the same shades from the palette, aka the Angel Heart, the dark mulberry pink, and then I'm gonna blend it out in the other one that I have used from Bragg Beauty. Oh my god! I just realized that I wasn't recording all this time. Okay, I need to tell you some things again. First of all, I tried to start the camera in order to show you my kinda new brush that I got from e.l.f. This is specifically for the putty products that e.l.f. has, and I used it with the putty primer that I have from Cookies and Dreams collection. I said that my feelings are kinda mixed. I'm not sure if I liked it. I'm not sure how I enjoyed the way that it picks the product in order to apply it on my face. And then I was discussing a little bit about Valentine's Day and if I'm gonna celebrate. Let me start actually by doing my mascara so I can tell you again everything, because I think it's quite fun to have some time for conversation in this channel. So I told you that personally I love celebrating. It's not only about Valentine's Day, but I love every opportunity that I can have for celebration. Either this is Valentine's or birthday or Christmas or even Easter, you know, I'm dying for celebrations. So I think that I will definitely do something. I don't know if this something will include any type of makeup. Maybe we will go to kinda trampolines in the city, because we have a new place that recently opened and we really want to try it with my boyfriend, so we don't necessarily have to do something super romantic, to go to a restaurant, to have some fancy food. I mean, we can have fun in some alternative ways, and I would love if you write down in the comments if you're planning to celebrate. If yes, are you gonna do kinda the most common romantic things? Are you gonna do something a little bit more outside of the box? I don't know, tell me your ideas and maybe you will inspire me for something for the next year. I will update you on what I'm doing on Instagram at my stories. I've been a little bit inactive these days because I had exams. I took like some exams at Swedish. I think it went well. I don't have grades yet, but I promise that I will come back and I will be more active on Instagram, and I will definitely tell you what I'm planning to do when I will finally decide about it. I think I'm gonna skip the false lashes. My boyfriend actually says that all my looks look kinda better without lashes. I don't really agree, but I feel for this look I don't need to go extreme with lashes because I don't wanna cover all this design that I have spent a lot of hours to create. So the next step is to turn off the camera to finish with my base, my foundation, a little blush as well. I'm planning to use this red one from e.l.f., the Putty Blush. No, I'm not gonna use it with the same kinda brush because I'm not sure, and I don't want to experiment with my blush today. And then I will turn on the camera to tell you some final thoughts about Valentine's Day, this makeup, and maybe a little spoiler for the next video which is coming. And now I think it's time to do my lips. Well, first of all, I'm gonna use two different pencils. Both of them are from Wycon. One is number 12 magenta and the other one is the one that I have used already in my waterline, the 27 violet pink. So the edges, I'm planning to start with the dark one, the violet pink, and then in the middle I will go with magenta. On top I will apply this lip gloss. This is from Rihanna, the Fenty Beauty, in the shade Ruby Milk. Oh, that's such a beautiful shade. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So let's start the action. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. As you can see, this makeup is based on one color. This color is berry, and that's why I'm gonna tell you the Greek word for berry. So in Greek, we say muro. Say it with me, muro. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word muro, or tell me the word in your own native language. Fun fact about me right here, I'm extremely bad at saying what berry is what, like mulberry, or I don't even know the names, I don't even know all the variety of them. So you can confuse me very easily with berries. I have absolutely basic knowledge, like I can say strawberry and what is strawberry, and I'm not sure if I can say anything else beyond this. And that was it. This was our video for today. What do you think about the makeup? Do you like it? Are you planning to do any specific makeup or any specific color combination for Valentine's Day? On the other hand, if you're a little bit darker and you would like to see an anti-Valentine's makeup look, I have already done videos about this last year. I have done a video, actually, I'm gonna put everything down at the description box, so don't forget to check this out. And if I forget, please write a comment to remind me. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, everywhere. My name is Catlady Antigoni, and I will be very happy to see you there. Well, I hope that you will have an amazing Valentine's Day. See you next time, and until then, bye! Easter egg. I told you that I'm gonna spoil the video that we will have next time. Well, for those of you that stayed, you deserve to know. So my next video will be the top 5 Valentine palettes. Hope you enjoy. Bye!